This video will explain and demonstrate how to use the Program Proposal feature in CourseLeaf. Log in to CourseLeaf. Select Go to New Dashboard. Select Programs at the top of the page. The Program Proposal system has the same search features as the Course Inventory Management system, minus the archive feature. See our Course Inventory Management System tutorial to learn more about those search features. To create a new program, select New Program Authorization. A new window will open. Complete the contact information fields. Select an academic level and department. The program title is where the name of the program should be entered. The program name should be followed by a dash and the degree type. Select the effective catalog year. This is when the authorization starts. This form is to request to add a new program. The curriculum will need to be built at a later date after approval of the new program authorization. Next, finish filling in the fields that are outlined in red. If not finished with the program authorization proposal, select Save Changes. If finished editing the proposal, select Save and Start Workflow. After the program authorization proposal has been approved, you can start building the curriculum. See our tutorial on curriculum building in CourseLeaf to learn more. If you have any questions about new program authorizations, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.